Good morning. My name is Saloni Singh, and I have completed a comprehensive data analyst course from 30 days schooling that covered essential tools and technologies, including Python, Excel, Statistic, Power BI, SQL, AI, and some project also. The course also included hand-on project that enhanced my practical understanding of data analysis and visualization. Um, this program has equipped me with the skill to handle real-world uh, data challenges efficiently and confidently. This course has significantly enhanced my analytical and technical skill, providing me with a strong foundation in data analysis. I have gained experience in tools like Python, Excel, Power BI, and SQL, which have made me proficient in handling, analyzing, and visualization data.